Hello everyone, welcome to the new chapter. So let's get ready for a new and exciting ride. In the last video, we talked about optimizing distribution channels for B2B success. We explored how to ensure your products or services reach the right customers at the right time. But having a well optimized distribution channel is just one piece of the puzzle. Today, we are diving into something just as important: B2B promotion strategies, from content to events. So, stick with me until the end because the last few points are really important. Trust me, you don't want to miss them. So, let's start with the question: why is promotion so crucial in B2B marketing? Right? So, in B2B, the sales cycle is longer, decision making is complex, and multiple stakeholders are involved. Unlike B2C, where a flashy ad can trigger a quick purchase, B2B relies on trust, relationships, and proven value. Now, this is where smart promotion strategies step in. Now, think of promotions as your way to tell potential clients, hey, we've got something that can solve your problem. But here's the catch: it's not just about shouting louder, it's about connecting smarter. So, let's explore how you can do that step by step. Start with compelling content. See, content is the cornerstone of any great B2B promotion strategy. Why? Because it educates, builds trust, and positions you as an expert. Now, let's look at some types of content that work. First is blog post, which share insights, how to do, and industry updates. Then you have white papers and ebooks. So, provide in depth knowledge that helps your audience make informed decisions. Then you have videos, create tutorials, product demos, or success stories. Then you have case studies, show real world results that highlight your value. So, here's a pro tip: do not make your content all about you. Focus on solving your audience problems. For example, instead of saying our software is great, say, here's how you can save 20 hours a month with better workflow automation. Now, what's the point of amazing content if no one finds it? Now, that's where SEO, which is abbreviation for search engine optimization, comes in. So, here are a few tips for B2B SEO success. First is use long tail keywords like best CRM for small business or efficient supply chain tools. Then optimize your website speed and mobile compatibility. Then create meta descriptions that clearly state your value. Then build backlinks through guest posts or collaborations. So see, SEO is not just a one-time effort. It's a long-term game. But when done right, it ensures that your promotions are seen by the right people at the right time. Yes, social media. B2B audiences are on social media too. So platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and even YouTube's are gold mine for B2B promotions. Here are a few ways you can use social media effectively. First is LinkedIn. So share thought leadership posts, join groups, and connect with decision makers. Then you have Twitter. So participate in industry hashtags, share quick tips, and engage in discussions. Then you have YouTube, where you can post tutorials, case studies, and webinars. Instagram. So use it for behind the scenes content or client success stories. So here's a pro tip for you. Do not just post content. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask questions, and participate in discussions. See, email. Email is one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and retain existing clients. So here are a few email campaign ideas. So send newsletters with industry updates and tips. Use drip campaigns to guide leads through their buying journey. Share exclusive offers or invite clients to events. Send personalized emails thanking clients for their business. But here is the secret sauce. Make your emails personal and valuable. Nobody likes spam, but everyone appreciates a helpful email. Now we have webinar. So webinars are a powerful tool in B2B promotions. They allow you to showcase your expertise and interact with potential clients in real time. So how to nail your webinar? First is pick a topic that solves a common pain point. Then invite guest speakers for added credibility. Then next make it interactive with polls, Q&A sessions or live demos. Then next send reminders to attendees and follow up after the event. So webinars don't just educate, they also generate high quality leads. Partner with influencers. Yes, influencers exist in the B2B space too. These are thought leaders, industry experts, or well known brands. But then, how do you collaborate with influencers? Well, here are a few ways. Number one, invite them to co host webinars or podcast. Ask them to review your product or service. Partner on co branded content like ebooks or case studies. So, influencers lend credibility to your promotions, making it easier to win trust. Paid promotions can give your efforts an extra push. So, platforms like Google Ads and LinkedIn Ads are particularly effective for B2B. But how do you run that? Well, here are a few tips for running PPC campaigns. Target specific job titles or industries. Then use retargeting to re-engage website users, visitors. Then create landing pages tailored to each campaign. Test different ad copies to see what works best. Remember, PPC campaigns work best when paired with strong landing pages that convert. So, events are a tried and tested way to connect with your audience. But there are various kinds of events. Let's look at them one by one. These are the types of events that you should consider. Number one is conference. So, position your brand as a leader in your field. Then you have workshops. Offer hands on experiences to solve specific problems. Then networking meetups. So build relationships with potential clients. Virtual events. Reach a global audience without logistical headaches. So events create opportunities for direct engagement, which is invaluable in B2B marketing. Account based marketing, which is also called ABM. So ABM is about targeting specific high value accounts rather than a broad audience. How to implement ABM? Well, first research your target accounts thoroughly. Then create personalized content or offers for these accounts. Then assign dedicated sales teams to nurture these leads. So account based marketing ensures that your promotional efforts are laser focused on the clients that matter most. Yes, gamification works in B2B too. So it adds an element of fun and engagement. Let's look at some of the examples of gamification. Number one is create quizzes that educate and entertain. And next is offer rewards for completing product training. Third, run contest with exclusive perks for winners. So gamification makes your promotions more interactive and memorable. Now, how do you know if your promotions are working? You measure. So here are some metrics to track. First is website traffic and conversions. Second is social media engagement and follower growth. Then you should measure email open and click through rates. And finally ROI from PPC campaigns or events. So use these insights to tweak and improve your strategies. And here is the most important point. Turn your clients into advocates. So here are a few steps you can use to build advocacy. First is provide exceptional services. This goes without saying. Then share client success stories. And then reward referrals with incentives. So when your clients promote your business, it is the ultimate endorsement. Promotions are the lifeblood of B2B marketing. From content to events, each strategy has its place in building trust, generating leads, and driving growth. Remember, the key is not to do everything, but to do the right things consistently. Experiment, learn, and refine your strategies. And guess what? We are not done yet. In the next video, we will discuss the people, the process, and the proof behind B2B marketing excellence. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you there and take the quiz as well.